In this video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a page in Elementor. So in order to do that, head over first to elementor.com, log into your account, or click on the Get Started if you do not have one yet. Now, from in there, you can also head over to WordPress.com since we will use WordPress to host Elementor. Click on this login option or click on this Get Started right here if you already have an account, or if you do not have one yet, just head over and click on it. Since I already have one, this is what my dashboard looks like. So in order to password protect a site, what you can do is you can head over to your pages and click on all page. You just need to access the actual page that you wish to use. So for example, I have in here this about option, and in here this about page or about us page, we can actually edit it and then password protect it. As you can see, this one is created using Elementor as indicated by this particular thing. So what we can do is we just need to head over and click on this edit instead of edit with Elementor. Let's head over and open this in a new tab. So you can see it right here. So under this, click on these three dots that you can see. Then in here you can see this option for setting this a home page and the likes. Into this part, you can see these options as well. You can head over and click on this status option. As you can see right now, it's published. So click on this and you can see in here this private option, and you can also see this password protected. Click on this password protected option and input right here the password that you wish to use. I'll choose in here 1235. And then after that, just head over and click on the save option in order to save this password protect that we have done using this site right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need about Elementor.